it's Davita with WTI, and this is the COCORA 6-drawer dresser in white.
I love the engineered wood because it's easy to clean and to maintain.
I love the modern white color because I love that contemporary look. And I feel like this 6-piece drawer set would go great, not only in the bedroom, obviously to store your clothes, but I even think it would look great in the living room for storage. And it's just a beautiful piece. You can put your TV above it, as you can see here. I like that the drawers easily move in and out. You can fit lots of clothes in here. You can fit other things too, because the pockets of the drawers are really, really deep. So as an example, you could put blankets in here. I even put a pillow, a big fluffy pillow. So they are really, really great for storage. So if you are looking for the perfect contemporary white modern drawer set, then I would definitely check this one out by COCORA, and that's my point of view.